Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to check out an amazing course and show you how to get it completely free and legally using a special opportunity. Have you ever thought about trading in Forex? Do you want to take your trading skills to the next level with a small investment? This course will teach you how you can turn $10 into $1,000 in 50 days with smart strategies. In this course, you will learn how to 1. Set up your broker and start trading. 2. Make a profit even with small capital. 3. Turn your basic skills into those of a professional trader. 4. Make money from Forex using your mobile device. 5. Earn $50 every minute using the 1M strategy. 6. Turn $10 into $1,000 in 50 days. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to get this course for free and legally.
Wow!
To get it, just go to Google and search for discountedcourseninja.com. Make sure the address you enter is exactly the same as we've mentioned here. Once you enter the site, find the Forex Mastery course and click on the Get Coupon link to get the course for free. Important note, the coupon is available for a limited time, and only 4 days are left at this price. So make sure to take advantage of it before it expires. This course also provides you with a certificate of completion, which you can use to strengthen your resume. Before you do anything, please pay attention to 2 important things. 1. The address you enter must be exactly the same as we've mentioned here. 2. In addition to this Forex course, you'll have access to thousands of other free courses in areas like software development, marketing, IT and software, lifestyle, teaching and academics, design, business, and much more. So, if you're eager to learn new skills, don't miss this opportunity and start now. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Good luck, and we're looking forward to your comments.